Hey folks, welcome back to Horsepen Ranch, the Horsepen Ranch YouTube channel. We're gonna make a pumpkin pecan bread pudding. So don't go anywhere, you don't wanna miss this one. All right, folks, we'll get started. We're making a pumpkin pecan bread pudding. We just got back from Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri. Was there a month and a half, had a wonderful time, met a lot of folks, and I made this there, and I promised them I had a video, so here it is. Great for the holiday season, for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, pumpkin pecan bread pudding. It's gonna have a vanilla cinnamon sauce on top of it, glaze on top of it. We'll make that later. We start off with milk, okay? We're gonna have some milk here. We got whole milk, 2 1/4 cups of milk. Now this is for a 14-inch Dutch oven or a big 12 by 16-inch baking dish. You know, so either way, you can kind of reduce this a little bit and put in a 13 by 9, but that's what I've got it for. So we're going to 2 1/4 cups of milk. Starting off here, there's 2, a little over 2, that's okay. And 2 1/2, my bad, 2 1/2 cups of milk. So we'll do a half, which is not much in there. It's a 2-cup measure. All right, here we go. 2 1/2 of milk. Put 3 eggs in there. These are fresh from the chickens behind. Fresh eggs. We're just gonna toss them over there because we're outside. We can do that. Don't do that in the house. You might get in trouble. All right, we're gonna whisk this up. Let me find my whisk. We're gonna splash some vanilla in there. About that much, I don't know, about a tablespoon or teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna put some pumpkin pie spice, just a splash of that in there. And we're also gonna put some cinnamon in there. Maybe about a teaspoon, I'm not sure what even it says. Yeah, a teaspoon. And I got some cinnamon in here too. And I like cinnamon, guys, so just hammer some cinnamon to it. Maybe it says a 1 1/2 teaspoons, but we don't go by that. We'll just put some good cinnamon in there. Okay, mix that up as well. After you add something, just mix it up real good. We're gonna add some pumpkin, whole can of pumpkin puree. So there's no, this ain't the pumpkin pie pre-made stuff. Just this is puree pumpkins, all this is. Put that in there. 1 15-ounce can. So there's that. And we need some heavy cream. And we need a 1/3 cup of heavy cream. So heavy whipping cream, 1/3 cup. 1 cup of brown sugar. Cup of brown sugar. There you go. Mix that in there. And now our pecans. We're gonna put about a cup. We're absolutely not gonna measure these though. We're gonna put about a cup, okay? I'm using 2 of the small. These are 8 counts, so 16 buns is what we're doing here. 16 hamburger buns. They are the smaller ones. And I don't even split them apart. I just kind of do this to them. See that right there? You can do this pretty fast. So I'm gonna put 1 of these in, and then I'm gonna fold this first 8 hamburger buns in there, just like so. And I'm gonna use my handy dandy silicone spatula. I've used this in about every video I've made. These things are amazing. I love the little orange one here. So you don't want this to be a complete mushy mess. Now some of it will be, and that's fine, but you don't want it all to be a mushy mess. So they kind of fold it in. Pumpkin pecan bread pudding. Looking really, really good. That is perfect right there. That's your bread pudding. Now, we're gonna spray this. Let me tell you what I'm doing today. I've never done this on a video, I don't believe. Let me tell you what I'm doing today. I've never done this on a video. We're using a insert. It's a round cake pan. This is a 12-inch cake pan that is 3 inches deep, okay? That will fit into a 14-inch Dutch oven. So there you go. I'm using this today because we're going to eat this probably tomorrow. We have some family coming over tomorrow, and I do not want to store this in my Dutch oven in the refrigerator. Does that make sense? So I can just take it out of the Dutch oven, and this fits perfectly in the Dutch oven. So that's why we're using it today. We're going to Pam this. Pam's a good gal. She's always in the wagon. She keeps stuff from sticking. And guys, it simply just goes in here like so. Beautiful, look at there. I'm just gonna spread it out like this. This will be a big hit at your holiday dinners, get-togethers. Okay, we're gonna get some coals on it. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So we got our coals around the bottom. Got on a trivet about 5 inches off the ground there. We got coals around the bottom. We're gonna have some coals on top. We're gonna let that cook, and we'll get right back with you. So we're gonna check this. We're only about 25-30 minutes in, but we're getting really close to being done. Really windy today. As you can see, it's getting brown on top. So that's good. I've been rotating the lid in case I have hot spots. I've been rotating the lid and the whole oven as well. And we're getting real close to pulling it. Okay, we're done. Got a little brown on top. That's okay. We wanted to make sure it was done on the inside. So we use these little, I think they're pizza tong things, and they're really good to get these out. Kind of reverse them like so, and you can hold that just like that, and you got total control over that pan. Works really, really good. And come put it on your table, and we'll get the glaze ready. Okay, guys, it's done. It's looking really good. It's got a little brown on top, but like I said, it's just a couple spots. That's no big deal. We've got our 2 tablespoons of butter melted. We're going to put about a teaspoon of vanilla in that or so. All that good. We're going to put some cinnamon in that as well. We need a couple teaspoons of milk as well. Forgot about that. We're going to do the cap method. A couple of caps. We'll call that good. Whole milk. So we're going to mix this, get us a good mix. Take our 1 cup of powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is very messy. I'm sure you knew that. I'm going to start giving it some stir here. We're going to just pour this on here like that. It's still pretty hot. Make sure you get all of it out with a silicone spatula or spoon or something. Pumpkin pecan bread pudding with a cinnamon vanilla glaze. Icing, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Looks really scrumptious. We're going to try it. Wow. Tastes amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Really, really appreciate you watching. Share our video if you don't mind. Like it and subscribe it to our channel. Tell a friend about it. We really appreciate it. We got some more videos coming. So stay tuned and thank you for watching Horse Pen Ranch.